Hello everyone, welcome back to Car Updated. If you're new here, this channel is all about the latest car updates, honest reviews, and real driving impressions. Today, we are taking a deep and detailed look at a very stylish and futuristic electric sedan, the XPeng P7. This car has been getting a lot of attention worldwide, and in today's video, we are going to explore it closely, especially focusing on how it looks in color options and classic white, along with its design, interior comfort, performance, pricing, and whether it's actually worth considering. Let's start by talking about the overall design of the XPeng P7. From the moment you look at this car, it feels modern, clean, and very aerodynamic. In white, the car looks elegant and premium, giving it a calm and sophisticated presence. In darker or colorful shades like gray, blue, or silver, the P7 feels sportier and more aggressive, especially under sunlight. The low-slung body and coupe-style roofline instantly make it stand out from traditional sedans. At the front, the XPeng P7 features a sleek and sharp design. The full-width LED light strip looks very futuristic and gives the car a strong identity at night. The headlights are positioned lower, keeping the hood clean and minimal. The front bumper is smooth with subtle air vents that improve aerodynamics rather than just looks. In white color, the front looks very clean and tech-focused, while in darker colors, the lighting elements stand out even more, making the car look bold and premium. Moving towards the back, the rear design is equally impressive. The continuous LED taillight bar stretches across the width of the car and looks stunning, especially at night. The rear bumper is simple yet sporty, and the sloping roofline blends smoothly into the trunk, giving it a coupe-like finish. The XPeng branding at the back looks minimal and classy. In white, the rear looks elegant and smooth, while in colored versions, the sporty character becomes more noticeable. Now let's step inside the XPeng P7, because this is where the car truly feels futuristic. The interior design is clean, modern, and very minimal. The cabin feels spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display that controls almost everything in the car. The central touchscreen is sharp, responsive, and easy to use, while the digital instrument cluster provides all driving information clearly. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making long drives relaxing. In white exterior models, the interior often feels brighter and more open, especially if paired with lighter upholstery. The ambient lighting inside adds a premium touch at night and really enhances the overall experience. Rear seat passengers also get decent legroom and headroom, making it practical for daily use, as well as long journeys. When it comes to performance, the XPeng P7 does not disappoint. Being a fully electric sedan, it delivers instant torque, which means acceleration feels quick and smooth. Depending on the variant, the P7 offers impressive power output and strong acceleration, making city driving effortless and highway driving confident. The car feels stable at high speeds, and the suspension is tuned for comfort while still offering good handling, refined and very smooth, which is exactly what you expect from a premium electric car. The steering feels precise, and advanced driver assistance features make driving safer and more relaxed. The range is also competitive, allowing you to drive long distances on a single charge, depending on driving style and conditions. Now let's talk about pricing and value. The XPeng P7 is positioned as a premium electric sedan, but it offers a lot of features for its price. Compared to other electric sedans in its segment, it provides strong value with advanced technology, modern design, and solid performance. Pricing can vary depending on the market, variant, and battery option, but overall, it remains competitive in the electric vehicle space. My suggestion for potential buyers would be this. If you are looking for a stylish, tech-loaded electric sedan that feels futuristic and comfortable, the XPeng P7 is definitely worth considering. The white color is perfect if you want a clean, elegant, and premium look, while darker or colorful options suit those who want a sportier and more aggressive appearance. This car is ideal for daily commuting, long drives, and anyone who wants to step into the world of electric vehicles without compromising on style or comfort. To wrap up today's review, the XPeng P7 is a well-balanced electric sedan that offers modern design, A high-tech interior, smooth performance, and good value for money. It feels like a car from the future and delivers a premium experience overall. Asterisk, if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Car Updated, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the XPeng P7 and which color you prefer, white or something bolder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.